Alright, so you want to make money on Reddit and Quora, but you don't want spammy tactics or to get banned in week 1. Let's be real, most people try to shortcut to a quick buck, but long-term success comes from providing real value first. So, here's how I'd do it. First, pick a niche you genuinely know. Personal finance, fitness, tech, self-improvement. The more specific, the better. You'll stand out. Next, start engaging in those communities. On Reddit, join subreddits that fit your expertise. On Quora, follow topics that match your skills. Don't drop links or self-promote right away. Give genuinely helpful answers. When someone consistently posts high-quality advice, you start to trust them, right? After a few weeks of solid contribution, start looking to monetize. On Reddit, share a personal blog post when it genuinely adds to the conversation. Or share a YouTube video only if it truly helps. Always check subreddit rules, some ban links. On Quora, add links in your profile or answers only when directly relevant. Here's where the magic happens. People will check your profile. They'll follow your links. They might subscribe to your newsletter. They might buy your ebook. They might hire you for consulting. You're not forcing anything. You're letting expertise do the work. The best part? This compounds over time. The more you help, the more your reputation and income grow. So don't chase quick wins. Build trust, offer value, and let the money follow. That's how you win on Reddit and Quora, no spam. If this helped, hit the like button. Tell me in the comments what niche you want to dominate next. Provide value, build trust, and gently convert when it helps the audience. Newsletter, products, or consulting. All possible without spamming. Always follow community rules and stay authentic. Long-term contributions compound into steady income and reputation. You're not forcing anything. Results follow quality work. Be specific. Help first. Check rules. Convert when it's genuinely helpful. If this helped, like and comment your niche. Follow the value first playbook. No spam. Visit my profile to get access on how to utilize Reddit and Quora effectively. All I ask is for you to like and subscribe to my channel.